Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be going over our paycheck budget. So for this month of April, we have already done our monthly budget spread. So now we are going to be in our paycheck budget. Okay y'all, so we are going to get into this paycheck spread. So this will be for our first check of April, and we will be getting 3 paychecks this month. So I'm going to put number 1 out of 3, and this amount $2,779 is our expected amount, and that is what we are going to budget for. So I do split up my expenses by paycheck, so I don't pay everything all in one thing, so I have more free money. So I am going to budget $700 for this paycheck. I am also going to give my tithe, which is 10%, which will be $270. We will have my cell phone bill, which is due on the 23rd, and I am going to, that amount is typically $107. We then have my credit card bill, which is also due on the 23rd, and I believe that minimum payment is like $25. I think I've spent $250 on that this month, so I will be moving that over to our debt payment because we are going to pay that in full each month. And then I am going to put an asterisk near here for car insurance, because this is not my average bill, but right now I do not have my car. I'm in process of getting a new one, but currently that bill is $36. So let's get into this and add this up. 700, 270, 25, and 36. So that is $1,138, and we are going to subtract that. I'm just not going to deal with I lied, I'm going to add it in. So that is leaving us with $1,562.79. So like I said, I do break up my payments. So for this paycheck, I am just going to do my emergency, which I am going to budget 10% for, and I am going to do my car, which I typically would spend this amount on, or what I'm aiming to do. So I'm going to give this $270 and $270 as well. So this will be $540. I already know those numbers, but if we want to put it on calculator, 270 times 2, 540. And we have, okay, so with this bill, I am going to, sorry y'all, I did not calculate that last part. So we are going to have our $1,562 minus our $540, which will leave us with $1,022. And then, like I said, we are going to pay this off in full, paying the minimum payment, $25. So we have $225 remaining to pay that off. So that is that for that month. And I'm going to total that up. So we have a remaining $797.79. So now we are going to go into our sinking funds of sort, or just our different categories. So I am going to give myself about 5%. So that is about $135. I am going to give my dog 5.5%. So I will be giving my dog about 5.5%, which is funny because it seems as though I'm paying my dog more than myself, but this will be his budget for the month. I will be paying myself again with next paycheck, and this will be his only money. So vacation, I'm going to give myself about 10% because I am planning for my birthday, and I already had that number. So $270. For house and decor, so I am going to buy groceries and everything with this budget. And anything extra, so I'm going to give about 2.5 to that. I think that is enough for the week. $67.50. And then I'm going to have a buffer of about 1%, which 271%, that is going to be $27. So I'm not going to calculate that, but I am now going to add these up. $48.50, $270, $67.50, and $27. So that gives us $648. So now we have $797 and 79 cents. Oh, look at that, 797979. Okay, minus 648, and that is 149.79. So I like to have a zero base budget. So typically I use my next check to invest, but I am going to throw any of that extra money into my investments. So let's put an asterisk there. and bring that upwards. And we are going to put that amount there, 149.79, and we are going to close that out with $0 remaining, y'all. So it may look like I'm missing a couple of things, but this is what I'm paying with this check. Okay, y'all? So in the next check, we will be doing other expenses. See you then.